Alright, hey guys, so today, this is the show of RC. As you can see, we just threw the batteries in the truck. Now we're gonna take it out for a rip after being freshly cleaned, rebuilt, and ready to go. So, let's go give her a rip. What is going on, guys? Alright, so I gotta clarify a couple things here. First of all, I gotta do an outro for this video. So we're gonna do that quickly. Thank you guys for watching so much. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications so you stay notified and never miss an upload. Alright, now that that's out of the way, I want to talk actually about our channel. So if you don't know, we changed our name to Radio Control Hobbies, but I still tend to say the show of RC, and I might accidentally say that, but it is Radio Control Hobbies. It's just, I'm going to say show of RC, so it's letting you guys know that. Nothing Nothing changed. We're radio control hobbies. I'm just still hooked on saying the show of RC. But that being said, don't think like wrong name or anything. Yeah, we are radio control hobbies. We're not show of RC anymore. I'm just gonna probably say that a few times. I'm gonna try not to, but I have a feeling it could happen sometimes. So that's a good thing to know. About the erevo. So if you saw the last video, you saw that it was completely torn apart. I went through like the diffs and all that. I didn't actually like clean too much. I mean, I wiped off dirty parts obviously, but like I wouldn't say I like took time, washed every single part, but I did like wash off the A-arms, the shock towers, you know, the important stuff, cleaned off the diffs, re-greased them. And for some reason there were a lot of like sand, dirt, and gravel in my rear diff, which I know why, because when we took the truck to my dad's, there's like a lot of gravel, it's wet, just a mess. That truck got covered. We took an air hose, we blew it off, and yeah. So, as you saw from the last video, we just got this thing back up and running. I had the senton body on it, I believe. That was completely like cut up, destroyed. Yeah, that got destroyed on the first outing, so I just said screw it, no body. We're going to buy a new body for it, which, yes, we're going to buy a new body for it. Probably going to get the body post instead of the clip body mounts. I love the clip body mount, but I want to put bodies from like last year's erevo on it, from like Proline that they made, so we're going to get body mounting posts. And I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. So like I said, make sure you like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.